everybody, welcome back to my channel, Learn with Danica. Today we'll be talking about dividing fractions. First, you convert division into multiplication by flipping the second fraction. Then multiply it normally and see if you can simplify the answer. First, we convert division into multiplication. Then just multiply the fractions. Our equation is 3 over 4 divided by 4 over 6. Now our equation is 3 over 4 multiplied by 6 over 4 because we flipped the fraction, which equals 18 over 16 because 3 times 6 is 18 and 4 times 4 is 16. Now we can simplify the fraction if we can. In this case, you can. 18 over 16 can be equal to 9 over 8, which can be reduced to 1 by 8. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye!